Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Makalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 4th maths exercise 5.6. So students, in exercise 5.6, A and B, two questions are there. So let us know how to solve. So see students, question number 1. Find the HCF of the following numbers. We have to find the HCF of the following numbers. So what is the meaning of HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Okay, so first we will find the factors of these numbers and then the highest common factors we will find out. So see students, how to find the common factors. So first we will use the prime factorization. Okay, so we can divide 20 in two parts. So in table of 2, 20 comes, yes. So 2 multiplied by 10. So 2 tens are 20. Now 2 cannot be divided further. 2 is a prime number. 10 can be. Now 2 multiplied by 5. 2 5s are 10. So now students, 2 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. So it cannot be divided further. Now moving to next number, that is 35. Now see 35. Now 35, so it can be divided by 5. Yes, that we are knowing. So 5, 7 is 35. No other number is there which can divide 35. So 5, 7 is 35 and 5 and 7 cannot be divided further. So these are the factors. So see students, we will write the factors of both. 20, what are the factors? 2, 2 and 5. Not 10. Okay, why? I will tell you now. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 2, 2 and 5 are the prime factors. But 10 is not a prime factor. We have divided 10 into two parts here. That's why it is not a prime factor. These are the prime factors. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So 20 is there. Now next number is your 35. So write the factors of 35. 5 7s are 35. So 5 into 7. 5 into 7. So now students, you have to find the HCF. So therefore the HCF of 20 and 35 is equal to. Now students, we have to see the highest common factor. So whatsoever the number will be common in both, we will take it once. So 2 is not there here, 2 is not here, 5 is here, 5 is here one time. So we can select these two. So 5 is coming only one time. Here also one time, here also one time. So we will take in common 5. Simply 5 is there and no other number is common. So simply students, 5 is the HCF of 20 and 35. So 5 is our final answer. So now moving to next question. 45 and 50. So 45 will split now. So table of 5, 45 comes. Yes, in the table of 3 also 45 comes. So let us divide by 5 first. So it will be easy. We are knowing in table of 5, 45 comes. So 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. Now 5 cannot be divided further, but 9 can be. So 3 3s are 9. So 5 9s are 45 and 3 3s are 9. So 5, 3 and 3 are the factors of 45. Now moving to 50. 50 can be divided by 5. Yes, 5 multiplied by 10. 5 tens are 50. Now 10 can be divided further. 2 multiplied by 5. 2 5s are 10. Now 5, 2 and 5 cannot be divided further. So these are the factors. So we will write the factors of both. 45 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 5 3 3. 5 2 5. So 50 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now see, check once. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50. Now our answers are correct. Now we have to see the highest common factor. So highest common factor, see students, 3 is not in this line. 5 is there common in both and 5 is coming 2 times but here one time. So one time 5 is common in both. Therefore here also we will write the HCF of what? 45 and 50 is equal to 5. If other common factors will also be there, students, then you have to take both the common factors. Maybe 2 times, if it is coming like 3 is here, 3 is also here, and 5 is here, 5 is also here, and many more numbers. So we will take that all common factors, but we will write only once, one time. Like here 5 is there in both, but 2 times we have not taken, only one time. Then if 5 is again more in both, then we will take again 5. So 5 multiplied by 5. So 5 5s are 25 will be the LCM, like that. Okay. So in this question only 5 is coming one time common. So that's why 5 is the final answer. Now moving to question number B. Find the LCM of the following numbers. 4 and 5 is in first question. So two methods are there, students, to find the LCM. So first method I am telling you, by finding the multiples of both, then we will find the common multiples. So how to find, I am telling you first method. So 4 is there, so multiples of 4 you will write, then multiples of 5 you will write. So multiples of 4 will be 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Up to this I had written. Okay. Now here 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, and here more I can write 4 6s are 24, and here 5 6s are 30. So students, out of this our question is LCM. LCM means least common least common multiple. So these are the multiples of both. We have written the multiples of both. Then we will find the common multiple, but least, the smallest common multiple. So 5 is not common in both. 20 is common in both. So students, therefore we can write the LCM of 4 and 5 will be 20, because no other common multiple is there before this 20, so that we can select. So 20 is the smallest common multiple. Now like for table of 4 we will write here and table of 5 we will write here. Further we can see how many multiples are common, but the least common means the smallest common multiple is 20. So 20 is the answer. All. So students, one method I have told you, and next method I am telling for finding the LCM. So see students, we have to use here the short division method. Okay. So see students, 4 is there and 5 is there. So both we will take 4 and 5 both. Okay. Because we have to find the least common multiple. So we will take both the numbers 4 and 5, 4 comma 5. So first we have to see the common factor by which it can be divided. So 2 can divide 4, but 5 cannot be divided by 2. So but then also we will take first 2, because no other common factor is there which can divide 4 and 5 both. So see students, 2 2s are 4, 5 cannot be divided by 2. So you will write as it is. Remember, 2 2s are 4, 5 cannot be divided, as it is we have to write. Now 2 can divide 2, so 2 1s are 2. Again 2 cannot divide 5, so we have written again. Now 1 is there, so 5, 1 will be as it is. Now 5 1s are 5. Now students, you can see 2, 2, 5 and here 1. So rest we can leave, only 2, 2 and 5 are the factors. So see students, therefore we can write the LCM of 4 and 5 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So you can see students, 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. Simply what we have to do in LCM, we have to use this method, division method, short division method, and we have to see these all factors, and we have to take this all and we have to simply multiply all the factors, and we have received the answer, that is 20. Now students, here 3 and 4 are there. So let us take 3 and 4. So see students, 3 cannot divide 4, but 3 can divide 3. So 3 1s are 3, 4 cannot be divided, write as it is. 3 is already divided now, take 4. So table of 2 is there to divide 4, because 4 why we will not take? 4 is not a prime number. We have to take here the prime numbers for division. So now 1 will be as it is, 2, 2s are 4. Now again divide because 2 is there. So 1 will be as it is, 2, 1s are 2. Now 3, 2, 2 are the factors here. So you can write here, students, that the LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to. So 3 and 4, what are the numbers? 3, 2, 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So students, 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Which means we have to multiply these all the factors. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Or you can read the table 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So simply easiest method of finding the LCM by this short division method. What you can do? Both the numbers you can write, divide it. Okay, and after finding these all numbers, what we have to do? Simply you have to write all the factors and multiply it. As we have done in first method, we have written the multiples of both the numbers, and we have found the least common multiple, the smallest common multiple. That is one method. This is second method, but I suggest you to follow this method, because in first method you have to write the complete all the tables. Okay, but here simply by division you can find the answer. One more thing, student, about question number 1. As students, we have done this by factor tree method. Same, this short division we can use here separately for these two numbers for solving this question. So I am showing you this also once again. Be careful. Okay. So answer will be same, because the HCF of 20 and 35 is 5 only. But one more method you can use instead of factor tree method, the short division method. So 20 is there. So divide 20 by the prime factors. So 2 is a prime number. 2 10s are 20 here. Then 2 5s are 10. See my fingers where I am showing 2 10s are 20. For 20 we have read the table 2 10s are 20, and for 10 we have read the table 2 5s are 10. Now 5 can be divided further. Yes, by 5. 5 1s are 5. Remember students, all these factors and here also must be a prime number. So now 2, 2, 5 and 1 is there. 1 cannot be divided further. Leave as it is. Now see 35. 35 you can see here that 2 cannot divide 35. 5 can divide 35. So 5 7s are 35. 7 cannot be divided by 2 and 3. It can be divided by 7 only. Okay, so 7 1s are 7. Now 1 cannot be divided further. So only one change will be there if you will follow this method, that 2, 2 and 5 is there. 2, 2 and 5, 5 and 7, 5 and 7. One more number is there, that is 1. And you know the property of 1 for multiplication, that when 1 is divided by any number, we are getting the same number. So simply students, along with this, you can write 1 also if you want to follow this method, and here also 1. So 1 is also a factor. So students, what you have to do? The HCF of 20 and 35 is equal to, here we have written only 5, but 1 is also there, 5 is there. 5 is the common factor, 1 is the common factor. So 5 multiplied by 1. So answer will be same as we have written 5 answer 5. So 5 will be the same answer. So you can follow the second method, only one change will be there, or you can follow that factor tree method as well. This is your choice here, and here the best method I hope is the second method, this one which I have written here now by using this short division method. So students, according to this video, solve all questions of exercise 5.6. Thank you for watching.